this is just a 3D print, 3D capture of the drone. Hindi ito yung actual. But of course, as investigators, meron ka mamimiss eh. Gaano kalapit or gaano kalayo tumalsik yung tao. Or yung equipment, gaano kalayo yung skid mark ng ano natin, nung pag-skid bago nagkaroon ng accident, nagkaroon ng incident. So, drones can capture detailed images of the accident scene, including skid marks, vehicle positions, and other critical evidences. Detailed 3D models helping investigate, recreate the scene, and understand the spatial relationship between vehicles, obstacles, and other relevant factors. Drones enable rapid deployment to accident scenes, allowing investigators to quickly assess and document the situation, leading to faster resolution and improved efficiency of the investigation process. Bakit? Of course, pag may disgrasya magkakaroon ng traffic, by the time dumating yung ambulance, by the time dumating yung ating investigator, ang dami ng commotion na nangyari. It will